Hey guys, just picked them and washed them down. I guess we're looking at about 1,400 tomatoes. Yeah, and 40 feet. Simple 40 feet. These are self-growing planters. They grow your food with no human intervention. Put your seeds in the planter and they grow your fruit, and they grow perfectly. You don't see any deficiencies on my stuff. They're all beautiful. Every last one of them. I designed them to be that way because I use all of the natural environment to grow my food. Read about it. It's called Torpedopot. You can grow whatever you want, when you want, where you want. Yeah, our goal was 3,000, but it got cold pretty quickly, as you can see from the plants. But they're continuing to grow. And so we should be able to hit at least 100 tomatoes from 24 inches. 100 tomatoes in 24 inches. That's what we're looking at. And 5 planters that we just picked, just the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every 5 we're getting about 300 tomatoes. And these were the ones that were planted first. And so they matured quicker. And then when a cold spell hit, it really hit those over there. So with the consistency of 300 tomatoes in what, 10 feet? Right, exactly. 300 tomatoes in 10 feet. Who ever heard anything like that? Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. We're looking at about 1,400 tomatoes, big, small, because again, the season did not go to its full expectancy. So some are turning, and they will. Once we store them, they'll all turn, and they'll look so beautiful and lovely. And they are so pretty. They are so lovely. Now, when your tomatoes get this mature, it's very, very good to start picking them, okay? And you can see a little varmint got a hold of mine's right here. Yes, and I deliberately sat there because I wanted you to see what would happen. Once you get your crop and you're finished with your crop, pick them. Because at that point, they're no longer growing with the tomatoes. And so a lot of critters would consider them food just like you would. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com.